Robbed and killed after stopping to get milk and cookies at a Royal Farms. Today, the people charged in Alex Robleski's death were in court. WMER 2 News' Eddie Kadam breaks down what happened.
A mom, her son, and her boyfriend, the three suspects in court today in relation to the murder of this beloved Federal Hill bartender. In November of 2017, Alex Robleski was killed during an attempted robbery in an alley. All three suspects were presented with plea deals today.
It's good to have a little bit of closure, but the trial is in some respects really going to begin on Monday. They're just looking for justice and making sure that people are held responsible for this horrific tragedy.
21-year-old Tavontre Gatling Malzone is the only one to accept. He'll be sentenced to 20 years in prison with all but 8 years suspended, and agreed to testify against his mother, Tanya Hayes, and her boyfriend, Marquise Winston. In court today, the lawyers laid out what they gathered happened that night. Robleski walked into the Royal Farms for snacks at Lawrence Street and Key Highway. Some of the employees were worried that Robleski was walking home intoxicated. As he walked out of the store, one of the suspects held the door for him, and video shows Winston reaching for something in the backseat of a car and then following Robleski. Winston and Robleski get into a struggle. Robleski is shot in the stomach, and the suspects take off in the car.
He was an incredible force in the community. He was beloved by his friends, by his co-workers. This is a man who represented the best of Baltimore, and he was taken from us long before his time.
This case will now go to trial on Monday with a jury selection. His father only asking for justice. In Baltimore, Eddie Kadam, WMAR 2 News.